That is quite significant this year, right?
This year, because this is, and it's hard to believe, 40th year of the Grasshopper.
Yes. 40th anniversary of the Grasshopper and the Hornet.
Yeah, it's just astonishing because I remember seeing these in toy shops because I'm 107 years old. So I was 40 when I first saw these.
I think a lot of people had these because they were very well priced. And they're still well priced.
They're still, I mean, they're well under $200 now. And I remember you could buy these. Target had them, Kmart had them.
Yes.
I think the local milk bar had them. Everyone had the Tamiya pack. They were so easy to get, and everyone. I didn't lust after one like a lot of people did because I wanted to race. So to me, this was beneath my station.
Be basic for you.
But I have a massive amount of respect for these things.
Well, 40 years, that's amazing.
Yeah, they've just been around for so long, and they just keep every now. They're not in constant production. They just bring them back out every few years.
But you notice that with the other re-releases, they've got a year of when they were re-released.
Yeah.
This one doesn't have a year.
Yeah. Because
they actually never stopped production long enough for it to be out of production.
And you open it up,
and you build it, and you get one of these.
You build it, and then it looks like that.
Yeah, this has got a little bit extra. It's got some blinky aluminium bits on it.
Is that a blockhead bit?
No, I don't know whose it is.
No.
Yeah, but I mean, these Nerf bars are normally in the black plastic.
Yeah.
But these have been upgraded to aluminium. But the rest of it is pretty much standard.
I had a look at this the other day when we were doing some special filming the other day. So I had it's the first chance I've ever really had to look at a grass. And the engineering is so basic and simple, but that's why they were tough.
How about we have a closer look at this?
Because there wasn't anything much to break.
Oh, there we go. There is the classic bumper, which is also used on the Frog.
Yep.
Is that what they call the 3-screw?
I think it is, yes.
And the blockhead type bumpers, the aluminium bumpers, screw straight onto this.
Yep.
You got single wishbone suspension here. You got the smaller, what are they? The 2.5mm balls.
Yeah.
Most of the other cars started getting beefed up balls after this, so the thin tie rod.
Because this was early on, and they didn't really know what was going to work.
Bottom of the chassis with the release hatch here to get the battery out, as you can see, like that. Quick release.
And sometimes it used to release while you were driving it.
Did it?
Apparently.
Oh. It's a bit awkward at the moment because I'm trying to film it at the same time. That's in, isn't it? Oh, there we go. That's in. And then we've got the solid rear axle gearbox.
Rudimentary suspension. Well, it's not shocks, it's just springs.
No, that's right. And this one's actually been fitted with 540.
Yeah, because these came out with a 380.
That's right. And it was quite easy just to upgrade them because the chassis was identical to the Hornet, which was designed to have that as well.
So these were the slow post. But there's a growing thing in vintage racing now of people saying, oh, we want a 380 class.
Yes, that's right.
Just to run 380s. So I'd be very surprised if the Vintage Bash next year doesn't have a 380 class.
Yep. So we've got the sand tyres on this one. Whereas the Hornet had the paddles. Paddles.
Yep.
And it's got the multi-piece wheels.
In fact, the tyres are called Paddler Track.
Oh, is it?
Yes, that's so. I just read that now.
Oh, that's someone else's then.
Oh, no, I don't know. I'm just reading where it says Paddler Track.
And then the tyres on the front. What are they saying on them?
These are the
smoothie.
The smoother.
Sand tyres unlimited. There you go.
I don't know. We borrowed this car off someone else. I think
this one's just got springs at the back as well.
I think this might be Christian Foran's car.
Right. Now on the Hornet, the rear shocks were actually oil-filled shocks.
Yeah.
And the body is a harder ABS, whereas on the Hornet it was a clear polycarbonate.
So you don't actually have to paint it. You put the stickers on and you've got it as it is there.
That's right. So there you go. That is
the classic Grasshopper.
And it's 40th anniversary. And with that, Tamiya announced that, I think everyone knows, the Hornet Evo is coming out later this year.
What, you mean this one?
Which one?
That one there, I might...
That one? That's it.
That sucker there. Hornet Evo, that was supposed to be here now, but the word is that there were so many pre-orders for it that Tamiya started production again. They'd finished production on it, and they started a second production run, and they're not going to send any out until they're all done. So I know we've got a significant amount of pre-orders for them.
We do indeed.
Yes.
We do indeed.
So,
Okay, so what have we got here? I saw some question here. Where's the Grasshopper Evo, Nids reckons? Well, I don't know. You reckon they'll surprise us? Well, probably won't.
Probably
I
won't.
think they'll just be a Hornet Evo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because no one even expected the Hornet Evo.
No, that's right.
It was just came out of the blue. Or
you could probably make one, couldn't you?
Out of the black. You could
probably get one of these and put it on the body onto a Hornet Evo and call it a Grasshopper Evo. I'll probably see a lot of people doing that.
I might set myself a challenge to do just that.
Would you?
Yeah.
There you go.
A Grasshopper Evo.
There's a Grasshopper.
It's a classic. You've all seen it before, but it needs to be acknowledged for its place in RC history because so many people started. In fact, we had Simon Nicholson from the Yakomo on-road team in here just the other day. His first major title was, he can't remember, it was so long ago, but it was, I think it was a state title, and he won it with a Grasshopper.
Which is pretty spectacular, racing against other competition buggies all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's more an indication of what his ability was
Yeah, that's right.
That time.
He's a bit of a natural talent, that man.
Yeah, but either way, he won something. He was keen to have that acknowledged.
That's right.
Nico, well done, sir.
All right.